Mr. Chair, isite na rin natin for contempt si Yusek Cabral at saka si Secretary Remulla. Wala rin sila rin.
They're not here, so they will be issued show cause orders. But in the case of Mr. Diskaya, he's already here, he's already explained, and it's up to the member.
Yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po.
Mr. Chair, if I may, what is the valid reason?
Bali may po siya yung may heart condition din po siya at saka po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Mr. Chairman, meron bang medical certificate to prove and establish na talagang valid yung kanyang ailment? Dahil baka mamaya gawa-gawa lang itong valid umano na reason.
For the record, and for the information of everybody, sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya, the Honorable Chairperson, so forth and so on. Subject, inability to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and so forth and so on. Tapos, relative to the letter invitation dated September 15, issued by your good office, which I received via electronic mail today, September 17, at 5:41 p.m., I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18 at 9 a.m. Or 9 in the morning. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon, and some of my employees will be coming from various places. Thus, I can no longer cancel the meeting set for tomorrow. As such, I'm sincerely sorry that I will be unable to attend the committee hearing. I fully understand the importance of the committee's work and the seriousness of the matter at hand. I hope that my absence shall in no way be construed as a reflection of my respect for the committee and its mission. I humbly request the committee's understanding and patience in this matter. Thank you very much for your consideration. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Diskaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Mr. Chair, nanumpa ito to tell the truth, and dito harap-harapang nagsinungaling ka, binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Diba? Huwag mo kami lokohin because the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi, mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair.
You lied. You lied. Paano ba kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
Senator Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The letter excuse of Mrs. Diskaya is totally unacceptable. Ang sabi niya, meron siyang meeting. This hearing is of national interest. Huwag niyang lulukohin itong hearing na ito. Huwag niyang bababuyin itong hearing na ito. Dahil the Filipino people are watching. We are here to ferret out the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Yung sinasabi ni Mrs. Diskaya na meron siyang meeting, for me and I think for all of us, that is totally unacceptable. Kung meron siya sakit, okay lang. But provide us with a medical certificate.
Yeah, what is the pleasure of the members of the committee?
Mr. Chairman,
in this regard?
May I? Well,
yeah, Senator Pangilinan.
Why will we ask for a medical certificate when clearly he is lying because the wife has already said?
Again, the chair asks, what is the pleasure of the members?
I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
Is that a motion?
I seconded, Mr. Chair.
Kindly raise a motion.
I-contempt, Mr. Chair. Move, Mr. Chair. I want Mr. Chair? File him in contempt for lying. Kasi
okay.
Mr. Chair, quickly lang.
Ganito na muna, no? ipasyokos na muna natin just to just to adhere to due process. The chair will advise the members to just issue a show-cause order, and if not satisfactorily given or explained, then we will just cite her in contempt.
Mr.
Chair,
Chair, if I
Chairman.
may, maybe
Mr.
we
Chair-
can, Mr. Chair, if I may, maybe we can ask Mr. Diskaya why he should not be cited in contempt.
Your Honor,
No, but the subject of this motion is Mrs. Diskaya. So, and she's not here.
Mr. Chairman,
Who are we citing in contempt of the committee?
the one who is lying, Mr.
the,
Chairman.
Mr. Diskaya.
Yes.
So, please explain.
Your Honor, humihingi po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, may sakit po talaga siyang diabetes at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit. Opo.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Senator Ontiveros.
lalo akong nalilito sa show cause ni Mr. Diskaya kung bakit hindi nyo po siya dapat i-cite in contempt for lying. Iba po ang heart condition sa diabetes, iba rin po yon sa hypertension, at lalong iba sa mag-a-absent sa hearing natin dahil lamang may meeting siya. So, lalo siya
Okay,
pong
yeah.
nalulunod sa baha nung
Well-
mga
well
mali-maling sagot
taken,
po
well
niya,
noted,
Mr. Chair.
Secretary.
Mr. Chair, may we go back to the original motion, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, ito lang sa akin simple lang. Very inconsistent yung mga pinagsasabi nitong si Mr. Diskaya. And then pangalawa, mag-asawa sila, imposible hindi niya alam, hindi sila nag-uusap tungkol doon sa health conditions ng silang dalawang magkasama. Very clear for me na tulad nga sinabi ni Senator Erwin, pinagluloko tayo nito, ginagawa tayong parang mga bata rito.
There's a motion to cite in contempt of the committee, Mr. Diskaya. Any objection?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
na-override na po ba yung proposal nyo na show cause muna? O
No, he has already explained. Because he's the subject of the contempt citation, or the motion at least, no? So we can rule on that.
To be consistent, Mr. Chair, isite na rin natin for contempt si Yusek Cabral at saka si Secretary Remulla. Wala rin sila rin.
They're not here, so they will be issued show cause orders. But in the case of Mr. Diskaya, he's already here, he's already explained, and it's up to the members of the committee to decide whether or not satisfactory yung kanyang explanation. But yes, we will issue show cause orders to the persons mentioned by the Honorable Marcoleta.
Pero mamaya, Mr. Chair, meron akong mga katanungan sa kanya na makukontempt talaga to. Kahit anong mangyari before the end of
Hindi
this
na, meron
hearing,
ng
he
pending motion.
will be cited.
We'll rule on that.
Sinisiguro ko
alright.
makukontempt ito mamaya, Mr. Chair.
Well,
Kung hindi tayo
thank you.
makukontempt dito sa pagsinungaling niya dahil dun sa kanya misis, dito may hawak ng mga dokumento na makukontempt tong taon to at the end of the day.
The Senate President is recognized.
Yes, okay. I think your pending motion is not to cite him in contempt. It doesn't necessarily mean that we will be deciding on what to do with him after that. It's just merely citing in contempt for lying. So we'll take it at that at this point, and perhaps discuss later on what the decision of the committee is. But in the meantime, I'm giving up my 3 minutes to Senator Rizal.
Not
Point
yet,
of inquiry.
Senate President.
Point of inquiry, Mr. Chairman.
I would like to clarify with Senator Marcoleta if he raised an objection, because I didn't quite get it.
No, I'm not raising any objection.
Thank you, Senator
Point of
Marcoleta.
inquiry.
So let's rule first on the motion, pending motion, before anybody else talks. No. So there's no objection. So, Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.